What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you Talkpal AI review. So, if you've been thinking of picking up a new language here this year, well, you've probably seen apps claiming to be the best way to learn fast. Now, one of them is Talkpal AI, a highly rated app that positions itself as a smart AI-powered language tutor. But is it really helpful as it seems? Now, let's start with how it actually feels to use. Now, right away, Talkpal's interface is clean and easy to navigate. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on vocabulary here, the layout makes learning feel approachable. It has interactive lessons, conversational practices, even like little vocab games built in to keep things fun. So if you like a more casual app-based way of learning, it checks that box nicely here. Now, in terms of features, it got some pretty impressive tools here. Like for example, it gives feedback on pronunciation, simulates real-time conversation, and aims to help you sound more natural. Sounds solid, right? So here where it actually gets a bit more nuanced. Now, if you're practicing in English, the feedback is really okay, but once you start trying other languages, especially less commonly studied ones, that feedback starts to feel inconsistent. There's no real adaptive grammar correction, and the voice recognition system sometimes misjudge accents, which can be frustrating here. So while the AI helps simulate conversation, it doesn't always understand you accurately, especially if your accent varies from what it's expecting. Now, as for cost here, the app does offer a free version, but it limits how much you can use it each day. To unlock all the features and remove restrictions, you need to subscribe. So it's not completely free to use if you want the full experience. And here's some honest take here. Now, if you're just looking for a fun, accessible way to practice speaking, building vocabulary here, Talkpal is a great supplement. It keeps your brain in language mode, and it's way better than doing nothing. But if you're after structured grammar learning or accurate feedback here or your usage, you'll probably want to pair it with something more comprehensive like a human tutor or a traditional course here. So you might be asking, is it worth it? Yes, as long as you see it as it is for. Now, Talkpal works best as a side tool here, not a total replacement. It's ideal for casual learners, travelers, or anyone wanting to sharpen their conversation skills in a fun, low-pressure way. In this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.